Hello students, welcome back to your moral science class. I'm Jyoti here. Today I'm teaching you unit 5 from class 2nd moral science subject. Chapter name is You Can Win. Chapter name is You Can Win. That means don't lose your hope. Always should be a present mind and give to a success. So here is one story. It's a very interesting story related to success. So I am reading, and please pick up your pencil and note down the difficult words also. So here one. First stanza is, Robert the Bruce was the king of Scotland. Robert the Bruce, the name of the king is Robert the Bruce, was the king of Scotland. He was a brave and wise king. Brave and wise. Wise means very knowledgeable king. He was at war with the king of England. Bruce was defeated 6 times. How many times? 6 times. He is defeated for 6 times, one after another. Finally, his army was scattered and he was forced to hide in a forest. What is the meaning of scattered? Break into peace, because he want to peace, and again defeatedness is broken down from his scatteredness. Then next, one rainy day, Robert the Bruce lay in a cave. Means when he was again and again defeated, then he feel very much depressed and he lay in a cave. Lay means sitting or relax. He was tired and depressed for the continuous defeats. Tired need to be rest, and depressed means unhappy. Okay. Then suddenly he noticed a spider over his head waving her web. Noticed means saw. Suddenly he saw one spider and he is waving her web. Waving means knit her web. And he watched her as she worked slowly and with great care. Slowly means presently. Then next, she tried to jump from one side to another from their cave, but she failed. Poor thing. Poor thing means helpless, very helpless he felt. Then said Robert the Bruce, you can too. Now what's it's like to fail many times in a row. But the spider didn't lose the hope. She tried once more and reached the other side. Yes, cried Bruce. Bruce cried, I too will try once more. And again his hope is relaxed. Then again he is raised up. Clear? And he arose and called his men together. Arose means got up. And men together like a army peoples. That is her own army people, and he fought another battle. Battle means war, fight. Finally he succeeded to defeat the king of England, and finally he got a success. So the name of the chapter is You Can Win. If you are hope very well, if you are never lose your hope, never lost your hope, never lose your hope, then finally you can succeed in your battle, and you can successful from your life. So moral of the chapter is never lose hope. Clear students? So here is, failure is not the end of everything. It is another opportunity to better. Try to better. And opportunity means chance. There is one another chance you can do once again and achieve the success. So here page number 28 from your book. I can prepare one chart according to the steps of that you can win. There is some tips. So first of all, I make here, keep doing great things. You are intelligent, powerful and capable of doing great things. If you are intelligent and powerful to do anything in your life, then you may make mistake, but correct them, then you can looking a shiny star. Clear students? So then next, unsuccessful people like this way and successful people like this, because unsuccessful people that can failure are stepping stone to success. What is the meaning this? Because failures are stepping stone, step by step, if you can move, then automatically they can achieve the success. If you are confused like this way, get the advice of the experienced one. You can go one another person that is experienced one, and definitely he can doing something, his or her experience with you, and definitely you can change your mind, and again you can doing something better. Then the next, continue to struggle till the very end. Don't be confused. Again and again you can struggle till the very end, and never be afraid of difficulties. Always face them. Never be afraid. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your hope. Again and again you can try. Then winning is not everything, but the will to win is everything. Then you can achieve your goal. Clear, students? So this is the few points related to success. So I hope you all will try this success tips. Clear, students? Next, this is an interesting chapter. So read once again 2 or 3 times and solve the exercise portion, filling the blanks. Part 2, page number 30. 3, look at the words that lead us to success, and discussion time. Please write down your copy and book also. Clear, students? I am writing here your homework material, so you should write on your book and notebook, both things. Exercise part 2, that is filling the blanks, and the next few qualities, that is part 3 related to success, and last is step number 4, that is discussion time. So that is your homework. Write down your book and notebook, both the things. Clear, students? Okay, have a nice day.